Okay.
Right, sit. Ready? Ooh.
Good boy.
Ready?
Oh.
Ready?
Good boy. He's like, now where'd that other one go? There's one that fell over here. I need to. But there's one over here. I know that. Where's my wubby?
Riley, you're over here.
Oh, jeez. Alright, Barley, I don't want you to destroy this one. Nice butt. Alright, I guess that's it.
Guess that's it?
Bye.